I'm taking a high road. My engine's running higher fight. May I always see the road watching up to meet me. My enemies defeated in the mirror they hide. I'm trying to get better cause I haven't been my best. She took a break back and started writing on my chest. She took a line across the middle of my broken heart. Said come on now, let's fix this mess. We can get better because we're not dead yet. Thank you everyone for coming out for the show tonight. Song number 1896. Douglas, get me one more Mexican. Let's see this right here. Seriously, Hamburg's always a fucking special place for us. We'll be back again soon. Back in the summer, I don't fucking know, we'll be back again. Let's do this, come on Douglas. I'm gonna kneel down and get this to me. Let's see your hands. This is the knot in the small of your back. You can work it out with your fingers. Just a tune that is stuck in your head. You can work it out with your fingers. Some numbers tangled up in your side. You can work it out with your fingers. Just a simple pedal missing from the person you met. A reminder you could always be a little bit better than that. So try to get better until never is said less. Take a playback marker, write this on your chest. To a night and only follow this unhappiness. Come on now, let's fix this mess. We can get better because we're not dead yet. We can get better because we're not dead yet. Thank you so